Costco's new clothing line is making TikTok go crazy. It doesn't take much to make TikTok go crazy, but Costco and TikTok have been they have a relationship.
They do, yeah.
Because it's hot dogs and I don't know.
Just finding deals as
well.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why. Certain things just seem to fit. Costco and TikTok are one of those things. Mm-hmm. The latest trend is maybe one you haven't seen, which is Kirkland clothing, which has fans going wild inside of Costco and also on TikTok. You will see a clip here of the latest Kirkland threads, which just straight up show you.
Oh, wow. Really?
Kirkland's signature collection.
Under Snapchat. Kirkland signature box front crew necks. Are you kidding me? Stacks of them. Is Costco now the fashion house
wild.
of the world? Anyway,
$18.99.
You see the numbers bottom right, so I did. And then Rico spotted me, big fan of the show. So I put his picture on Instagram with 1,000 likes, and I'll wear it on the show.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, so
that's cool. I don't mind it.
It's embroidered.
It shows the stain.
The word signature is embroidered on there. It's a white sweatshirt with a big, bold Kirkland label on it. The label is pretty much...
The posing.
What do you think, Will? What can you say to us about this?
Okay, the TikToks, whatever.
Yeah.
But the shirt is cool. I don't mind wearing that.
What is he wearing? It's
kind of cheeky.
Sports Center or something? What? I don't...
Yeah.
Know what that was at the end, but
that's cool.
It's kind of funny. It's weirdly nostalgic. I just remember this Kirkland brand being in my house as a kid. Those labels, and then you put the label on a shirt. It's weird how fashion works in your mind. I don't know, labels and logos.
Yeah.
Is Kirkland's signature collection the next wave? I don't know. I mean, I guess it's cool if it is because it's only $18 for a sweatshirt. Is Costco now the fashion house of the world? Kirkland drip go crazy, to be honest. Kirkland, a.k.a.
Why you gotta say it like that? We're old.
No, I'm saying it like that on purpose to emphasize how ridiculous it is. Like Kirkland, just think of this combination of words, Will. Kirkland drip, go crazy, TBH. Like, when you think of the brand Kirkland, what stands out to you in your mind? What product do you see?
I don't know, steak or hot dogs.
For some reason, I picture the container of cookies.
Okay.
They have some or those really big muffins with a Kirkland sticker.
Oversized muffins.
With a Kirkland sticker right on it.
Muffins for like 3 people, but it's like just one giant
Well, everything
one.
is huge. Yeah. I wonder if these are oversized as well. These are probably huge also. You got to size down probably.
I mean, the fit's nice. It also has the tag on the cuff there.
Kirkland drip go crazy.
Yeah, they should put
TBH.
that on the thing.
Kirkland drip go cause.
That's cool.
I don't know, man. It's weird. I don't know what it is. It's giving me weird, conflicted
this throws me off too.
Feelings.
Like it cuts off right here, right on the collar.
I'm conflicted. I don't know how other people feel about it, but it's a conflicted feeling. You feel like you're that feels like you're an employee.
Yeah, that's an employee. So what's the point?
But it's not. You can buy it. And it's kind of funny. Is it funny? Is it comedy?
I think it's cheeky.
It's funny.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Listen.
It's funny.
I really don't know what to tell you because I don't even know how I feel about it.
Okay.
And
but what if
you had to get one of the shirts, the one that he showed in his video with the big Kirkland signature logo.
Okay, yeah.
The white one with the little Kirkland signature logo. The one with the Costco branding in the wallpaper pattern, or the employee shirt, Costco wholesale.
I kind of like all of them, to be honest.
Well, which one?
But if I were to choose,
you gotta only get one.
I don't know. Maybe the subtle Kirkland branding, small.
You know what I realized I want is the employee shirt.
You want that one?
Yeah, that one right there.
Second pick.
I don't know why. It's weird.
Because it raises a lot of questions.
It's
It's an
so
icebreaker.
weird. It's almost like, did you get a part-time job or something? If you wear that, or somebody give it to you.
But
What about, oh, look at the sweatpant. I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
Kirkland's signature. It's weird. You know what else it is? It's they're leaning into it because it's a goofy brand. It's a store brand, but they're leaning into it, which is kind of like maybe not. But you know, like when a comedian is self-deprecating and you find it to be endearing?
Yeah.
It kind of feels like that, where they know it's kind of goofy, but they're doing it anyways, kind of making fun of themselves in a way, but also selling you something. It's bizarre set of emotions here.
But it's not over the top. Maybe this one with the diagonal.
This is the one for you, the patterned Costco crew neck. And the other thing is, they're not. It's $18 or $15 or whatever.
Hey, if the fit's nice, I don't mind it.
Okay.
I don't really care how it looks, the logo, whatnot. I think it's kind of cool. What would you wear? You would go for
that one right there.
One?
That one is really messing my brain up the most, which is why I like it. It's very confusing.
Yeah. Very cool.
Chaotic.